In this video, we will first find out why you can't see your notes on iPhone, and then provide 5 different yet effective solutions to help you retrieve missing notes on your iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11Xs, XCR, etc. Part 1. Why are some of my notes missing on my iPhone? iOS update error. Accidentally deleted. Email settings error. Some other iPhone minor issues. Part 2. Fix iPhone notes disappeared by restarting your iPhone. Needless to say, when you encounter some iPhone problems, always remember that restarting the device is the easiest and most basic trick. Part 3. Retrieve missing iPhone notes from recently deleted folder. Deleted iPhone notes can be stored in the recently deleted folder for 30 days. Therefore, when you accidentally delete important notes, be sure to go to the recently deleted folder to restore the deleted notes immediately. Part 4. Find lost notes on iPhone by checking email settings. If you have ever used a third-party email service, such as Yahoo, Gmail, etc., to synchronize the notes on your iPhone, then you can retrieve the missing notes by checking the email account settings. Part 5. Restore disappeared iPhone notes from iCloud or iTunes backup. On iPhone, go to Settings General, erase all content and settings. During setup, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with Apple ID and select the most recent backup to restore. Restore from iTunes Backup. Run the latest iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone to the computer. Select the device icon once it is detected by iTunes, and then click Restore Backup to restore data from the latest iTunes backup to your iPhone. Part 6. Recover lost notes on iPhone without data loss. Mobican Doctor for iOS is a trustworthy tool that can restore lost, but not yet overwritten content on the iPhone. It can restore data from iTunes backup without affecting the current files. Steps on how to recover deleted notes on iPhone without data loss. 1. Launch Doctor for iOS. Select Recover from iTunes Backup. 2. Choose Backup File. Click Start Scan. Select Note and Note Attachments. 3. Preview and select Notes. Click Recover to Computer.